3rd Marine Aircraft Wing and Marine Aircraft Group 13 take great pleasure in presenting the F-35B Lightning II, the world's first short takeoff vertical landing stealth fighter. Today's flight demonstration will consist of both the conventional and short takeoff vertical landing modes of flight. The demonstration pilot today is Major Chris Callsign Cuffs Brandt from Ridgely, Maryland, who transitioned from the Aviation Harrier in 2015. In front of you now, an F-35B is positioning for an afterburner takeoff. The F-35B is capable of generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust to take off through conventional or STOVL modes. The short takeoff, or STOW, can allow this supersonic aircraft to take off in as little as 300 feet.
I got to brag on you, Tyler, just real fast while he's turning around out there. You went to flight training, right?
I did.
And you learned how to fly the Texan.
I did.
And then tell us what you flew.
I flew the T-45 Goshawk.
The Goshawk. Now, you folks paying attention at home? What was the third aircraft that you flew?
It would be the F-35.
Now that is awesome, Rob Ryder. Can you believe that?
No transition training, you go right from trainers to the 5th generation fighter.
Look at the grin on that guy's face.
And you know, he's been using them Crest Whitening
Telling you, he stole the family's airplane right out from underneath.
And great teeth. He looks like a fighter pilot.
Yeah, great
little
guy.
cocked brow there.
You're gonna be at the club tonight, Tyler?
Yes, most likely.
Yeah.
Most likely.
You got someone to go home to now?
I do not.
So we're going to make that happen tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
And
One of the
he's
newest
single.
F-35 pilots here to have fun at this time for the Avengers. I'll let you get back to work now.
The F-35B is a multi-role aircraft produced by Lockheed Martin and as a result of a multi-service, multinational effort currently spanning 3 U.S. services in 9 partner nations. The F-35 family of aircraft is currently flown by the United States Marine Corps, the United States Navy, the United States Air Force, as well as the Air Forces of the United Kingdom and the Netherlands. The pilot is now setting up for a high-speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the F-35B. The F-35 is capable of flight in excess of Mach 1.6 at altitudes in excess of 40,000 feet. The fly-by-wire flight control system of the F-35 provides extreme agility while reducing pilot workload across the flight envelope. The F-35B is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135-600 afterburning turbofan engine, which is capable of generating more than 40,000 pounds of thrust, as displayed on this next pass. The F-35's low observable stealth technology allows it to safely enter areas without being seen by radars that legacy fighters cannot evade. This combination of the low observable features, the F-35's advanced sensors, and the aircraft's ability to carry weapons internally means the F-35 can engage targets at long ranges without detection. On this next pass, note the cycling of the weapon bay doors, simulating a weapons release.
Tyler, this airplane is so well equipped that, well, the weapons bay doors just carry a whole lot of stuff, but you can target so many targets simultaneously with the data and the equipment aboard. There's nothing else in the world that will match it.
The F-35 is the result of a Department of Defense program to provide a next-generation strike aircraft weapon system for the Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and our allies. The F-35 is designed to replace multiple strike and fighter aircraft inventories, including U.S. Air Force A-10s and F-16s, U.S. Navy FA-18s, and U.S. Marine Corps AV-8B Harriers, FA-18 Hornets, and EA-6B Prowlers. The F-35B is capable of performing similarly to the fighters mentioned as demonstrated during this afterburner turn. As the aircraft approaches, the pilot will now execute a high-performance turn near show center, demonstrating the maneuverability and agility of the F-35.
Now this will punch you down into the seat. How many G's will the pilot experience coming up on this turn?
You'll be pulling 5.5 G's sustained.
Wow. 5.5 times his normal body weight. A lot of hick maneuver.
The F-35 possesses the most advanced multi-role strike fighter technologies in the world, as well as the capability to take off and land from short airfields and amphibious ships. This combination allows commanders to deploy a fifth-generation multi-role strike fighter aircraft to locations inaccessible to conventional tactical aircraft. As the aircraft returns to show center, the pilot will execute a slower photo pass, showing the profile of the aircraft while banked in an afterburner. Ladies and gentlemen, get those Snapchats ready.
Get the Snapchats ready. If you're gonna use the afterburner.
Sound machine broke.
Several doors opening on the aircraft. The large door on the top of the aircraft just behind the canopy is the upper lift fan door. This is the intake for the horizontally mounted Rolls-Royce lift fan system. On the bottom of the aircraft, directly below the upper lift fan door, you can see the lower lift fan doors, which are the exhaust for the lift fan. You will also see the doors at the rear of the aircraft, which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle to rotate down. to the ability to operate from austere environments, the F-35 brings the most powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package of any fighter aircraft in history. Its next generation avionics and sensor fusion give the pilot real-time access to battlefield information with 360-degree coverage. Advanced electronic warfare capabilities enable the F-35 to locate and track enemy forces, jam radio frequencies, and disrupt attacks with unparalleled precision. Major Brandt is now positioning the aircraft for a deceleration to hover at show center. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine, and roll control nozzles, generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This capability to conduct vertical landing operations is what allows the F-35 to operate from amphibious ships and provides additional flexibility for operations in austere environments. Push of a button, Major Brandt has commanded a deceleration to 0 knots. As the F-35 notice the occurrence to most advanced precision-guided air-to-surface munitions, air-to-air missiles, and a missionized 25mm gun system. The aircraft is now transitioning to set up for a final rolling vertical landing. The flight control system of the F-35 significantly reduces pilot workload in the stowable landing environment by continuously monitoring all aspects of aircraft and engine performance and maintaining conventional flight control logic, meaning throttle for acceleration and deceleration and stick for climb and descent. This allows the pilot to focus more on the landing environment and less on performance parameters to achieve the precision approach and landing in demanding conditions, such as this simulated landing to an expeditionary runway. After touchdown, the pilot will command conversion back to CTOL We would like to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of all the Marines of VMFA 211, without whom this demonstration would not be possible.